Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of decorating here in my living room. I'm just going to kind of tone some things down a little bit. For spring and summer, I've had a lot of bright greens and whites and ivories and things like that. And for the most part, we're going to be keeping a lot of those colors, but we're going to be kind of toning it down a little bit just to ease into the cooler months that we hopefully have approaching next month, if not the month after. So I'm just going to be switching some things around, nothing too fancy, nothing crazy. I'm actually going to be taking a lot of the pieces that are already in this room and just going to be rearranging them to give it a whole new look and just a more refreshing feel. So like I said, I've had a lot of like brighter things in here, and I'm really just wanting it to feel a little more moody, a little more just like, I don't know, just relaxed and whatnot. We are going to be painting our shiplap eventually, which I am super excited for. You guys know me, I like to incorporate color into my home. Really this year I have stuck with neutral colors, which I do love, but to me it's just getting very boring in my house. So I need to spruce it up a bit. In my kitchen, I always have my blue cabinets. I have like a reddish colored rug in there, and that's one of my favorite rooms in the house, and I think it's because there's so much color and life in there. And my living room right now just feels very, very dull. So with that being said, like I said, we're going to be rearranging some pieces of decor and just kind of giving it a little bit of a different vibe, but nothing too far off from what it is already. And then I'm also going to be incorporating some new furniture pieces, which is what I'm really excited about in today's video. So thank you to Homery for sponsoring today's video. I have several really great furniture pieces that are very versatile. They will go pretty much anywhere in a home, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So I have 5 pieces from Homery that I'm going to be showing different ways to style them here in my home, specifically in my living room for today's video. I do have a chair, I have a couple of stool ottomans, I also have a ladder, and then I also have a little ceramic candle holder as well that is going to be so pretty here in the living room. So I'm excited to show you guys all of the things that I picked out and just ways that you can style them in your home. I have shared Homery here a couple of times on my channel already, and they have great quality pieces. In the past, I've gotten a bench from them. I've also gotten our nightstands in our bedroom, and for today, I ended up getting a few little pieces that I love. They add a lot of texture and a lot of depth to this space, so I'm super excited to share them with you guys. But as far as Homery goes, they are an online furnishing company. They do have a lot of different variety of items to choose from farmhouse decor to more modern, contemporary, truly a little bit of everything for everyone, and they have pretty great prices and also really good sales as well. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so be sure to check that out below if you're interested in using that whenever you purchase from Homery. And I will also have everything that I'm showing you guys today as far as the Homery pieces linked down below as well. So now that you get the gist of what we are doing today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these items up close and just talk about different ways that we can style them in the living room today, and then we will get to decorating the rest of the space. Here are the items from Homery up close. First up is the ceramic candle holder. This is super pretty and I love the texture of this piece. This can truly go on any surface. Next is the stool ottomans. These are super pretty. This is an ash wood, and then it has a woven top, which I love. I love the natural elements, more of a organic look in my opinion, and I ended up getting 2 of these. And I also ended up getting a metal black ladder. So this is actually for a bathroom. You guys will see here in just a second, it does have suction on the top, so that way it can suction to bathroom tile for towels. So this is more of a towel ladder, if you will. But I'm planning to remove the suction and just simply using it in my living room. You can also use this in a bedroom and obviously in a bathroom because that's what it is meant for. I have also thought about using this in Theo's nursery as well, so just a lot of options with this one. And one of my favorite pieces is this folding chair. This goes perfectly with those stool ottomans. You guys will see here in just a minute. I'm going to be styling those paired together, but this is truly a beautiful piece. I love the woven texture, again that ash wood, and something that is very versatile. You can also fold this up for storage. So for the first styling idea, we're going to be taking this chair and unfolding it here in the corner. For now, I just have it layered with this tree in the background for a pop of contrast and some life. And then I'm going to be adding the stool ottoman to the end. To add a little more warmth and dimension, I'm going to be taking a brown plaid blanket and simply folding it and placing it over the chair for a really lived-in feel. Next up, we're going to be styling the chair along with the ladder as well. So I'm just going to be taking the ladder here in the corner, kind of propping it up, and then placing that same plaid blanket over it. But this will be more of a tossed look, so very relaxed, nothing structured at all. Just simply placing it over one of the rails. And then again, I'm going to be continuing to add in the chair and the ottoman, and instead of having a blanket on the chair this time, I'm going to be warming it up a little bit with a pillow. Change my fireplace mantle just a little bit, so I ended up rearranging and adding some different greenery. So I have this more of a ceramic pitcher, and it does have some wispy greenery on the inside, kind of like a vine look. And then I'm taking the other one down and adding those black candlesticks just on the opposite side. I wanted to keep it very cohesive with the black candlesticks and the black ladder. Next, I'm going to be showing you a few other ways to style these ottomans. So I really love the look of having a well-rounded seating area. So with taking the two ottomans and placing them side by side, not only does this allow a more complete look, but also added seating for guests. I love that these pieces are multifunctional, so clearly I use them as an ottoman. I'm also using them for seating, and then I'm also going to be using them as a little side table as well. So I love this look. Next to the couch, I'm just going to be placing a book box that I keep my remote in, and a little faux plant just to complete this space and add some color and dimension. I love how this looks, probably one of my favorites. Last but not least, I'm going to be showing a couple of ways to style this candle holder. So I have it layered with the ceramic vase on top of the fireplace mantle, also on a tray on our coffee table next to a flower arrangement. And last but not least, I'm going to be placing it on our console table layered with some books and another faux plant, just for some added texture and dimension in this space. Okay, so now that I have shown you guys multiple ways to style those pieces from Homery, we're going to go ahead and decorate the rest of this living room. So I'm just going to be doing a few simple things. I'm going to be changing out a couple of things on the top of my hall tree. I'm also going to be changing the centerpiece here on my coffee table. I have a little entryway area that is like a DIY wall that we did a few years ago. I'm going to be switching out just a couple of things there. I'm also going to be decorating this corner here. I decided to go ahead and keep the ladder over here in the corner that I could just showed you guys with the chair and the ottoman and whatnot. So now this little area over here is very bare, and we're going to go spruce that up as well. But as far as pillows and blankets and things like that, pretty much everything else is going to be staying the same. Just like I said at the beginning, just kind of rearranging and just giving it a little bit of a refresh. So with all that being said, it is time to go ahead and start decorating. I think I'm going to go ahead and start here in the coffee table area first, and then we will work our way to the back corner and so on. Starting with our coffee table, I'm just going to be simply replacing a few things. So I'm taking the flower arrangement away and the lighter wicker tray and replacing it with a darker woven basket and another little arrangement. So this is more of a rustic look, very dark and just relaxed looking to me. So nothing structured whatsoever, where the other one was a little more put together. This one is much more relaxed in my opinion. Moving along to another little side table I have next to our couch, I'm going to be placing a large book box there with another arrangement. Again, this is very toned down and rustic looking, so I have a small asparagus fern in a clearance find vase from Hobby Lobby. I found both of these at the beginning of the year on sale, so I really like these pieces. Next, we are moving to the corner. So this is something that I have been wanting to add some color and life to for a while now. It's been very dull, so I'm going to be taking some landscape art. This one here that I'm hanging up first is a clearance find from Hobby Lobby from the beginning of the year. I think I found it for less than $5. And then the smaller one here is a new one. This one's actually from Amazon, and I really love this as well. Now that we have the pictures hung up, we're going to go ahead and place the tree over here. This just adds a lot of depth and it just really completes this corner. We have a lot of awkward corners in our space, and I find that faux trees are doing the job and they fill it so well. Moving along to the hall tree, I'm just going to be taking a few pieces and switching these around. So I have a faux plant that was a little more vibrant along with a picture as well, and I'm just going to replace it with a thrifted picture. This is one from a friend that was gifted to us. This one again is more muted and toned down and just more rustic looking, along with another large asparagus fern arrangement. The last area we're going to be focusing on is this little entryway. So I had a brighter colored summary magazine along with a fern wreath. I'm just going to be replacing those with a darker basket with some greenery in it, and then also a more neutral magazine. And here you have it. This is the final product. Again, a lot of these items were already in this room. I simply just switched them around. So switching things up and just using what you have can truly make all the difference. I did not purchase anything for this video. Of course, I did style in the new furniture from Homery, but aside from that, all of the decor itself are things that I've had already, and I just like to give them a little bit of a facelift by switching some things around. So it's very simple to do. Just use your imagination, get creative, and see what you can do to create a new space in your home. Alright you guys, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here today and helping me decorate my living room before all of the cooler months hit. So I am loving how it's turned out. Like I said at the beginning, I didn't do a whole lot, kind of just switched some things around, but it makes all the difference. And I love the Homery furniture. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of those pieces from Homery, I will have everything linked down below along with the discount code as well. So be sure to check that out. These pieces are beautiful. I love them in my home. This little corner area right here, I'm really loving how that turned out. The chair is really nice. I love those stools. I love how it looks on the side of my couch. The ladder is very versatile. Like I said at the beginning, that is actually meant for a bathroom for towels, but I simply just took the suctions off and am leaving it in my living room. So you can definitely incorporate that pretty much anywhere throughout your home. So thank you guys so much for being here. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you. I'm getting super close to hitting my goal for the year, which is 15K. I am hoping to hit that very, very soon. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, supporting my channel. I'm so grateful that you guys are here, and I love that you guys enjoy coming back to my channel. So thank you guys so much for everything, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.